Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been on the national news many times. Just check my website out at 777irs.com. I don't need to go into the litany of everything that I've done in my life. It's been storied. But anyway, I'm trying to help you today and let you know if you have IRS payroll tax problems, what you really need to do, because I've got a couple calls right now. The economy is maybe tanking just a little bit, and people are using their payroll tax money to pay IRS. I know it's difficult. I used to collect this for the IRS. I used to go out and I'd be the bad guy who would seize businesses, close business. So I understand when you struggle with keeping your IRS payroll up. So what you have to do is you have to draw a line in the sand if you can for yourself and say, okay, starting today, this day, you're going to start making your tax deposits. You got to separate it where this is the back stuff you owe, but today you're going to be current on everything you do. If you can do that, you'll be in good shape with IRS. And you want to file all your returns. You do not want to file. You've got to make sure you file those tax returns. It's really important, because when I would come out and decide whether I want to close businesses out, one of the things I'd do is I'd ask two questions. Are you current on your payroll tax deposits? Starting like right now, you've made, you don't have to pay the back. You've got to stay current. And have you filed? If IRS sees that you've done those, they're going to say, okay, you're really trying. So what I want to tell you is make sure you file all your tax returns. Always, 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 always have your tax returns filed, okay? And then at the end of the day, if you can't make all your back, you can't pay the money, just pay your current payroll today and you'll be okay. When an agent comes out to you, you'll probably have a revenue officer come out, and they see you're doing those two things. They're going to work with you and make sure they don't. Revenue officers like to hustle you and get more money than they should. I used to do this, and I know they do that. Don't let them bully you. On big payroll tax cases, do not try to represent yourself. It's not going to work. IRS usually plays the bully card literally when you're unrepresented. I mean that because I know what they do. Anyway, if you need me, you're welcome to get a hold of me. I answer my own phone. You can go ahead and give me a subscription if you would. I try to give you good insider information. IRS probably will not close your business, but they're not going to let you keep going on with this debt. If they do, IRS will find out and they'll levy your bank account. You don't want all that to happen. Thank you very much. I appreciate your listening today.